What you are about to witness is security camera footage of an actual event. This was the first encounter. Do not be alarmed. After the first encounter, Little Gorilla was armed and ready.
Hi everyone, Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, and today we have a Halloween cook.
The gorilla has not been seen since this day.
What the heck's going on?
I just chased a whole gorilla out of the house.
What? A gorilla? Is it gone?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, what are we doing?
Making a video.
Oh, okay. What kind of video?
Halloween.
Oh, well, get over here, girl. All right. So, little gorilla, do you know what we're cooking today?
Cook seeds.
Pumpkin seeds. Look what we got.
Make some of this pumpkin.
So when little gorilla was sleeping last night, I carved out the insides of 2 pumpkins, and I washed them off and let them dry overnight. Now we're gonna season them. Now we're gonna season them with a little olive oil, and I put this stuff on anything. Cosmo's cow cover. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. But before we get into that cook, I want to let you guys know about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway we got coming up. We aren't to 1,000 subscribers yet, so make sure you share this video out. Make sure if you aren't subscribed and you watch, you subscribe. We're going to be giving out a MeatStick Thermometer, a custom cutting board by Little Gorilla's grandpa, aka Papa Dan.
Yeah.
He's going to make a cutting board. And I've reached out to a couple other companies for spices and knives. We'll see whoever answers me. Maybe none, maybe some. Who knows?
None some.
But if you're a company and you want to give something away for this giveaway, go down to the About section and email me at gorillajoesbarbecue@gmail.com.
Gorilla Joe's Barbecue.
All right, so let's get into this cook. So we're gonna put these in here.
These are made from old bacon.
I'm gonna put a little oil in. Oh, this is only one of the things we're gonna cook today. Remember what the other thing we're gonna cook is?
Duh. No idea.
No idea. You wanna shake it around like this?
Oh yeah.
That wasn't enough. You gotta really get the juices going. All right, that should be good enough.
What's the next thing we're gonna cook?
Oh yeah, we're gonna do mummy
Mummy
dogs.
dogs.
Good job. Yeah, we're gonna make up some mummy dogs.
Like mummy dog.
Put some seasoning in here.
Okay.
Shake, shake, shake. Ah!
Oh,
Give me those back.
God.
You trying to steal my seeds?
No.
Shake, shake, shake the seeds. Shake them all around. All right, now we're gonna put them out like this.
Eat them.
That's a lot of seeds.
Yep. Yep. Oh, spicy.
All right, so
Don't touch me.
that's all the prep we had to do for those. So we're gonna throw these in the smoker. I got it running about 225 with some apple wood in it. We're gonna let it smoke maybe 20-ish minutes, then I'll pull the pan out, shake it around a bunch, and then let it finish smoke maybe another 20-ish minutes.
It made bunny ball.
But while that's smoking, we're gonna prep our mummy dogs.
Mummy dogs.
All right, I'm gonna go throw this on the smoker.
Dogs. Mummy, 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 mummy. Dogs. Oh.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
1 minute.
So I didn't look up how to make these. I just saw them online, and I thought, you know what? We could make those. So we got some.
Don't know how to make them.
We're just going. We're just doing things how we do it. We got some ballpark franks. We got croissant rolls. Hopefully these will be all right. Some people use biscuits, but we just kind of go with the flow.
What the? Croissants!
Hot dogs. Bam.
I really want the hot dogs, but not the croissants.
Why?
I don't like croissants.
Do you want to open it?
Yes.
All right, I'll get this package off. Do it again. Do it again. There it is. Got it open. Okay.
That's a bag.
Just gonna rip this
That's
apart.
the bag.
I'm gonna cut some slits.
There we go.
We'll aim the camera down. So what we're gonna do is just take this guy
and make it a mummy.
Just gonna wrap this around, maybe stretch it out. Kind of wrap it around.
Mommy dog, mommy dog, dog.
Put it like that.
That's
and we'll
an
take
ugly
this.
mommy dog.
Well, that's rude. I think that's kind of just like what we're gonna go for, and then it should cook up. And
that is not what we're gonna go for.
why not?
I don't like it.
It should cook up and turn into a mummy. All right, you want to try one?
Yeah.
Start just wrapping that around from the bottom and kind of spiral up.
Oh my God.
We'll cut this one up while you do
This one
that.
feels weird.
So you want to start from the end.
Yeah, I'm not good at this.
There you go, you got it. So then as you wrap, go down.
Dang it.
You didn't go down. You just wrapped it all in one spot. As you wrap, Aubrey, look, you go down like that.
One
You
point.
want to wrap this one down.
I'm gonna eat it.
I'll move this guy to the side. This one kind of went up and down. So that's the fun thing. You can make it look however you want. Move yours out a little bit because there's not going to be much mummy out of that guy. You know what we could try? So this one is going to be special. I'm going to...
I get the special one.
Gonna score this guy.
Oh.
Put him down.
Oh, and even a little gorilla. Oh my gosh, I want the special one. No, I don't.
It's gonna be like a pig in a blanket.
A piggy in a blanket, a piggy in a blanket. It's a mummy dog. The pig in the blanket.
Let's see how that guy cooks.
Oh, I'm gonna see how. I'm gonna see if it's gonna be good with seasoning on top of it too.
There you go. So you want to do a pig in a blanket for you too?
Yeah, but without the seasoning.
Okay. You want to wrap it up?
No.
No. No, not.
No. I don't know. Do I my roll?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a croissant.
You're right, it is a croissant. Alright, there's your pig in a blanket.
I have a croissant.
I have another idea.
Let's make croissants.
This is going to be another experiment. This is turning in from a Halloween mummy dog experiment to a see what we can stuff inside croissants and put them on the smoker experiment.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Hollow out a little of this hot dog.
Yeah, so you can put the cheese in.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put this croissant on it.
All right, shove the cheese in there.
Oh my gosh. The mummy dog's getting new guts. Can I actually cook this croissant?
Yeah, you can put it on the tray.
I have a croissant. It's a tiny croissant.
All right, that's a cheese stuffed. All right, one more mummy dog.
Two.
Should we try to put a little cheese in this mummy dog, see if some cheese will pour out of its guts? All right, that guy's stuffed in there good.
Cheese will pour out his guts.
I'm gonna wrap them up pretty good. So this is what we got. We got your mama dogs and Aubrey's little croissant she rolled. So these have to cook hotter than what the smoker is currently at for the pumpkin seeds. So once the pumpkin seeds are done, we'll kick that smoker up to about 375, and then we will put it on there for 9 to 10 minutes. All right, little gorilla, how'd the cook go?
Yeah.
You sure we show them what it looks like?
Don't spill the seeds.
So the pumpkin seeds with the cow cover turned out awesome. You can hear it. They're good. How do you like those? I can tell you like them. Our little mummy dogs.
My croissant.
Aubrey's croissant turned out good. So this is the one that we put cheese in the middle of. That one's kind of funky.
Funky. I like
Funky.
it. Funky.
So the mummy dogs look pretty cool. But we also made the pigs in the
Nice.
blanket. Oh yeah, and Aubrey made her croissant. How's that? Tastes smoky? Babe, could you hand us that knife? Thank you. So we'll cut open the pig in a blanket. You want to dip it in ketchup?
It's bleeding!
Cheers.
Oh! Hot! Hot!
I'm really interested to try the one with the cosmos inside of it. This one has the cow cover on it. You can taste the cow cover. And the last one is the cheese one. You want to try the cheese one, Aubrey?
Mm-mm.
So you can tell these had cheese in the middle of them. I think they all taste good.
Like this croissant.
It's just one croissant. I'm honestly most surprised about the pumpkin seeds because we've made these multiple years before, but I've never smoked them. I've always just used like salt, pepper, garlic, and then put them in the oven the same day we carved them out of the pumpkin. I washed them last night and let them dry overnight, and I think that really helps with the flavor. You good? All right. I'm glad it didn't happen. I'm really glad that gorilla didn't show back up. I think you scared it off with the gun. What should everyone do after they're done watching the video?
Hire a gorilla to be your servant.
No! Like, subscribe, and share the video. Remember, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. You gotta be subscribed, and we have to hit 1,000 first. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button. Share the video out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.
You can't hire me!
I'm gonna eat the mummy's head off. How?
With the sprinkles on it?
Yeah.